Amazon Machine Image. In this video, we are going to see what is AMI and its types. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So it acts like a ready-made template, which means the AMI already contains the operating system, software, and the other settings which are needed for the server to run. So we don't need to install everything manually, and the AMI will already contain all those things to launch the server. And whenever we want to launch an EC2 instance means we must choose an AMI, and the chosen AMI will tell what type of the system we are going to create. And the AMI is backed by the snapshot, which means whenever we create an AMI means the snapshot will be automatically created. So the AMI is the pre-configured template, which means it contains the operating system like the Amazon Linux, Windows, Ubuntu, Red Hat, etc. And it contained the tools or the software like the Apache or the Python. And it includes the basic settings like network configuration, system configuration also. And finally, whenever we launch an EC2 instance, means the root volume is automatically created for that particular instance, whether it will be Windows or Linux. The root volume is created whenever we launch an EC2 instance. And types of AMI. And AWS provided AMI means these are the AMIs which are defaultly offered by the AWS, like the Amazon Linux or Windows, Ubuntu, Red Hat, etc. Public AMI means anyone can use this AMI, which is available for everyone to use. Market AMI means it can be either paid or freed AMI from your market AWS marketplace, and these kind of AMIs includes the licensed software like the antivirus, database, etc. And we can also use the AMIs that are shared by the other user or other account also. And finally, we can create or customize the AMI for our usage also. So it will help to launch the multiple identical server by using the custom AMIs. Why AMIs are useful means, as I said earlier, that the AMIs already contain the operating system and the required software. So whenever we launch the instance means we don't need to install everything again and again. So it will start the EC2 instance very quickly. And with the help of AMAs, we can create the multiple servers that will look exactly like the same. And once we create an AMA means we can launch a number of instances from it. So it will helpful when scaling the application to many servers. And the AMAs will capture the entire server, so it will act as a backup for the user also. And we can also move AMA between the region or between the account for migrations also. So unfortunately, if any disaster will happen in the one region means the backup AMA will be present in some other region means then we can use the backup data to run the application.